This is my video for my A-level project, Neuron Creation. So here are my 3 neurons. As you can see, the short electrical wires are the dendrites, and the somewhat long ones are the axon terminal. And at the end of the axon terminal, you can see the metallic wires that are shown. Those are the terminal buttons, and the long ones are the axons. But as you can see, the little sticky notes that are wrapped around the axon are the myelin sheath, and the ping pong balls are all the somas, the center of the cell. So here is my explanation for the function of the myelin sheath. So in some axons, there are glial cells that form a fatty substance that is known as the myelin sheath. And this myelin sheath coats the axon and acts as an insulator, and this increases the speed at which the signals across the neurons travels. And the myelin sheath is crucial for the normal operation of the neurons within the neuron system, because the loss of the insulation it provides can be detrimental to the normal function of the neurons. Neuronal communication is often referred to as an electrochemical event, and the movement of the action potential down the length of an axon is an electrical event, and the movement of the neurotransmitter across the synaptic space represents the chemical portion of the process. So the neurons communicate via both electrical signals and chemical signals. The electrical signals here are the action potentials, which transmits the information from one of a neuron to the other. And the chemical signals are neurotransmitters, which transmit the information from one neuron to the next. An action potential is a rapid temporary change in membrane potential, which is the electrical charge, and it is caused by the sodium rushing into a neuron and potassium, which is rushing out. So the neurotransmitters are chemical messengers which are released from one neuron as a result of an action potential, and they cause a rapid temporary change in the membrane potential of the adjacent neuron to initiate an action potential in that neuron.